Valencia is a healthcare worker and a member of the United Steelworkers Local 7600. Valencia, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Valencia Davis. I'm from Riverside, California, with the United Steelworkers Local 7600. I've been working in healthcare for 38 years, providing hands-on care to the most vulnerable people in my community. Sometimes that includes patients that are on psychiatric holds to watch them for their own safety. Certain patients require a one-on-one observer and caregiver, which can place me in close proximity to them. I've experienced my own trauma in the past as well. I was sitting with a patient and he was a 5150, and he just got up and slammed the door, locked me in the room with him. I was so afraid and I couldn't get away. So I started yelling, crying, somebody help me, somebody help me. As I yelled and tried to open up the door, the patient grabbed me by the arm. Another coworker came in to help me to peel the patient's arms off my fingers. At that time, I was afraid to go back in the room, but I had to go back in the room because I have to observe this patient. So at that time, I sat outside the door. It wasn't safe for me to sit outside the door because I needed to be in there with the patient. But of course, I was afraid. So that's not the only time. Then once again, I was sitting with a psych patient, 5150, and he was banging on the window. He just got out the bed and started banging on the window, and we're on the 5th floor. And I said, sir, why are you banging on the window? Don't bang the window, you're gonna break it and cut yourself. He said, I'm banging on the window to see how hard it is. So I don't know how hard I have to throw you through it. So at that time, I sat outside the room, and I continue to sit outside the room. And I want to thank you, Senator Baldwin, for being here with us and supporting us. I also want to express that both of these incidents occurred before 2019, when my state of California enacted on our own workplace violence standard and had a workplace violence standard already been in place. My employer might not have been prepared. Now they're required to make a plan that includes frontline caregivers input, and every health caregiver in America deserves the same opportunity we deserve, a safe workplace so we can provide the best care. Thank you so much, Senator Baldwin and Representative Courtney, for making our safety a priority and giving me the opportunity to share my story today.
Thank you so much, Valencia. Thank you for sharing your stories and experiences with us.